Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Chiquita, and welcome back to my series 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we're going to do a little bit of chair yoga. So the only thing you'll need is your chair and possibly a yoga strap, or you can use a towel and roll it up the long way and it can have the same effect. So grab those materials and we'll get started. So we'll start sitting in the chair with our feet placed flat on the ground. And we'll start with 3 deep breaths. So let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then we're just going to move through the spine a little bit. So we'll bring the arms down by your side. And then we'll inhale, bringing the arms out and up. And then exhale, bringing them out and down. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. And then from here, we'll leave the left hand down by your side or either on your armrests. And then we'll inhale, bringing that right arm up. And then reaching over to the left. Coming into a side bend. So we're opening up the right side of the body. You should feel it all on the side of your abs. And then inhale up. Exhale, bring that arm down. Inhale, the left arm comes up. Exhale, over to the right. Try to keep the feet planted. Inhale up. Exhale, arm back down. Do that 2 times on each side. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, leaning over to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left arm comes up. Exhale, reaching over. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, down. Last time. Inhale, right arm comes up. Exhale, reaching over. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And then inhale, reaching the right arm up. Exhale, over. Inhale up and exhale down. This time we're going to come into a couple of twists. So we're going to bring the right hand to the left knee. Inhale, and then exhale as you twist open to the left. And then we'll release. And then we'll bring the left hand to the right knee. Inhale, exhale as we twist open to the right. And then release. We'll do that 1 more time on each side. So bringing that right hand to the left knee. Inhale, exhale as you twist open to the left. And then release. And then we'll bring the left hand to the right knee. Inhale, exhale as you open, twist to the right. And release. And then we'll just have the hands down by the side of the chair. You can grab the bottom of the chair or the armrest. We're just going to do a couple of leg lifts. So we'll inhale, lifting that left leg up. Keep the foot flexed. And then exhale down. Inhale, lifting the right leg. And exhale down. 2 more times on each side. Inhale, lift the left. Exhale down. And then inhale, lifting the right. And exhale down. Last time. Inhale, lifting the left leg. And exhale down. Inhale, lift the right leg, and exhale down. This time we're going to extend the leg with our strap, so you can grab your strap or your towel. We're going to place the left foot or the left ball of the foot into the strap or the towel. And then we'll inhale, lift that left leg, exhale, extend it wherever you can. So you may extend it here, you may extend it here. It doesn't matter as long as the leg is extended. The strap is just to help you compensate for your arms. And then we'll bend the knee and place the foot down. We'll do that 2 more times on this side. So inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, extend. Continue to breathe. And then we'll release back down. The last time we'll do this. So inhale, lifting the left leg. Extend as you exhale. And then we'll release it down. So we're going to switch to the other side. You'll put the left ball or the right ball of the foot into the strap. And we'll do the same thing 3 times here. So inhale, lifting that right leg. Exhale, extend. This side might be a little different from the other, and that is okay. And then we'll bend the knee and place the foot down. 2 more times on this side. Inhale, lift the knee. Exhale, extend the foot. And then we'll release, coming back down to the mat. Last time, we'll lift the leg, extend. And then we'll release down. So for now, you can put your strap off to the side. For the second half of this chair yoga session, we will use the chair in a half sun salutation. So for this portion, you can have the chair in front of you. And you can step maybe about 2 or 3 steps back from it. So we're just going to do a half sun salutation. You can also do this sitting in the chair and then just having a second chair in front of you as well. It'll do the same exact thing. So we'll inhale and bring the arms out and up. On the exhale, you're going to bring the arms down and grab the chair. On the inhale, you're going to lift and straighten the back. And then exhale, coming back down. Inhale, bring the arms straight up. Exhale, arms out to your side. We're going to do that 2 more times. So inhale, bring the arms out and up. Exhale, as we bring them forward, grab the chair. Inhale, straighten the back a little bit. Exhale, down. Inhale, bring the arms straight up. Exhale, arms out and down. Last time. Inhale the arms out and up. Exhale, coming forward, grabbing the chair. Inhale, coming up, straightening the back. Exhale, down. Inhale, bring the arms out and all the way up. Exhale, the arms out and down. And then we'll just end sitting and taking 3 more deep breaths. So finding your seat again, planting the feet flat on the mat or the floor. You can have the hands in your lap, on your knees, wherever is comfortable for you. And then just allow the eyes to close. We'll take 3 more deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So when you're ready, let's inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then allowing the eyes to open gently. Bring your hands to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell for notifications. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.